This was what I was talking about. It's a piece of 1/2" D2 steel that was, I usually use J-B Weld, large piece, a large glue surface. I textured the underside with a sandblaster that I have, and I also textured the other side, so I feel very confident in that bond. We'll see in time. So far I've only used it once, and then I ground it to get all little pock marks out, because I'm not really good with a hammer. I'm just learning. This is the base I chose. I just took a couple of 9 4x4s, and then I basically used Gorilla Glue between them to hold them temporarily, while then I come around and banded them and welded the bands together. That's basically it. It was a little bit of a pain to get this to sit level. That was a tough part, but I was able to buy a planer, cheap one from Harbor Freight, and I used their, it's like electric planer, and I was able to sculpt the bottom to fit the floor so it wouldn't rock anymore. All this I ended up using, I started using a disc and to cut this, and it was just such a pain. I ended up resulting to a hacksaw. With a little time and energy, I used the hacksaw to grind this off. And the hardy hole was the same thing, files and drill. I drilled a couple holes, and then I got a hacksaw on it, and then I got the rest was all done by file. So it was a little bit of work, but it was worth the effort, I think, because it gives it a strong base. Now I have another piece of D2 that I was considering, but it was so big. Here's my forge. It was so big, I just thought it would be murder to cut that up. So this is actually going to be an anvil. One of the guys just recommends just using a big chunk of steel. This is about 20 pounds, and I could rest it somewhere on top of that one there. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what I did. It's very similar thinking. But yeah, cool. All right, man.